Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxing with K. So this video is so unexpected because I was just going through my mail. I'm going to insert like the whole process of me doing everything here, and then I saw an interesting deal in my promotions list and I decided to try it, and that's why we are getting this video, because this is my first time trying to get these deals online. This is the last thing I am recording. Unfortunately, the deal, like the code that I was supposed to get, cannot be used by someone who is in Kenya. It's for people in the United States, and I hope maybe someone in the US is going to see it and, you know, can benefit. The clips that I'm about to insert are probably not going to be edited because it's the process of me trying to get these 4 months of free Apple Music. And so first of all, I clicked on it because it's something that I really needed. There's some songs that I wanna listen to, but man, like buying one song at $1, it's a good thing to support the artist, but at the same time, I don't know, I feel like I need to fit that into my budget. Like maybe every month a certain amount goes to Apple Music, like all those subscriptions, but right now I'm not even subscribed to iCloud and all those things. So like, I don't know, I'm just going to insert the process of everything here. As much as I didn't get the code myself, maybe someone else is going to get the code. Wait, so I'm checking my mails and I come across this, and then I see this Apple Music. Wait, I don't know why this is happening. And then this is the free music individual plan. Because I don't have any friends, 6 accounts, because I don't have any friends who I think would love this, I'm going to do this. And then let's have that by now. How would you like to proceed? I have an account. Okay, let me insert my details real fast. I don't remember my password. Your username or password is incorrect. Okay, then let's go. Or continue as a guest. So this is the checkout. And place order. I don't understand why they need this. Can someone tell me why they need this? Like, why do they need this? You save. Why do they need my credit card? Like my card details. Should I proceed or not? I really need to get this. I think I'm just going to post this so fast on my channel, and then maybe someone can tell me. I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Yo, so I just had to come to Google this because, you know, like, it's not making sense to me. And why I don't. Oh my god, so it's actually real. I don't know if I'm going to insert my card and then see how it goes. Should I try? Okay, let me try. Let me get a card first. I know it doesn't have any money though, so let's see. I'll take it out once I'm done. Okay, got the card. How to spot? Okay. Okay, cool. So let's get this. Okay, just wait. Please provide the following information. I'm getting my details in, guys, so okay, relax. 3 What's the billing address? I don't know his billing address is, but because Google is giving it to me, who am I not to? These are crazy. Nairobi. What's going on? City, state, province. How am I going to? Let me just leave it that way. This value is required. But I am in Nairobi. This is only USA and Canada. So I'm getting my card details in because this is the card I'm using. Doesn't have any money, but they need this and I don't have it. Like, it only shows Canada. Look at this. It's places I've never been to. Come on, man. Wow, I don't know what to do, but this is what, and they say it's required. Can I just choose anything? And then what's gonna happen? Let me say Florida. Okay, let's see how it goes. Selling fast. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So then what? So let me say, oh my gosh, let me say place order. Guys, we are processing your order. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. They say that my order is complete. You purchased and 3 months free of, I don't know what this is. I thought it was Apple Music. But why are they saying claim offer again? Fees and taxes apply. Hello Fresh, what's going on? Oh my god. I'm so nervous. Just saying, you purchased items and we have this here. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. And get. Okay, that's the email. Let's check. Guys, here. I'm so nervous. So this is the order. You're almost done. So what else should I do? View. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Yeah, so they say I purchased this. I can't wait to get out my card out of this website. It's a lot going on, and the person who recommended this page to me, they never like showed using it, so like I'm just winging it. Which I know I should be recording the screen, but it's a lot of personal details in here, so let me get through this. Oh no, relax. I don't have a code to scan yet. If this thing works, it's just going to be different. But what's my password? I don't remember my password. Okay, so oh my gosh, I needed some lights before I started filming the other part, the first part, but I'm going to do a proper intro because it was like not planned. Like this whole video was not planned. I was filming for my main channel, and so I just like continued like as if I was filming for it, but the intention is to post on this unboxing channel, which is more of like shopping online, like just shopping in store as well, as much as I rarely go outside to shop. But so I've formatted my memory card, I've transferred everything, and oh, what happened? So as I was transferring, it took me 2 hours, like it's 13:45 right now, but I'm just coming back to see that look at this. Oh my god, I think I can't get this service in Kenya. So they are saying that it was blocked, but I think I'm just going to proceed and just post this video because I am already in it. Like I've done like so much already, and I logged in. So this is it. So this is where like my storage went out. So this is what I got, and I think they are saying it's 3 months free and then 1 month free, and then you pay $2.99 per month. I inserted my card details, and I'm not sure if they are going to have this $3.299 taken out of my account right now. I'm not sure because first of all, it's not my card, and number two, this is not in my budget. So I'm just like going to try and continue as much as we have this here. I don't know like what's going to happen, but let's just proceed and see what happens. I think this is the only way to know how it's going to be, because there's like one song. Oh, I still need to sign in again. Okay, let me try. I think I shouldn't have exposed my IP, right? Yeah, I'm going to have to take that out when editing. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's log in again. Look at me. So let's see how this really goes. Terevuse. Maranero. So I have the Apple message. Allow. Because this is me. 0901. Let's see. Oh, honey. That is so heartbreaking, because I did so much work for me not to get it, because oh no. Anyway, so I think that's it. I'm just going to log out, and I will keep on trying these deals. I have so many deal sites, coupon sites, I don't know what to call them, that I've signed in. I signed up for. I'm so sorry, I'm rambling because this video was so unexpected, but I think I'm going to title this video something like getting 4 months free of Apple Music. Does that make sense? Yeah. So yes, I had to throw in some lipstick for this intro, and also to look a little decent. I've just taken off my sweater, it's here. So you guys have a nice day, have a lovely week. I know I'm going to post this video today, which is on a Sunday, because it's 13:53. Oh honey, it's 13:53 on a Sunday afternoon, 25th April 2021, and this is the first video I'm posting this year on my YouTube channel, because I have like I think maybe 2 extra videos or 2 videos from 2020. I thought like I was going to go beast and all that stuff and just post, but 2020 really hit me mentally. I wouldn't even do anything, and I'm not going to explain about it, or I'm not even like going to try to explain myself. Like, I mean, a lot of people understand what I'm saying. So yeah, subscribe if you are interested in this kind of content, but you really don't have to, because I am not sure how much times I'll be posting. But if I see some good deals that I need to use myself, this is the only time that I'll be filming me getting the deals, like today, which is a complete fail, but we try again next time.